A single U-turn. That's all it took to signal a much larger crime. What started as a standard checkpoint operation in the north of our province ended with the arrest of a man whose family business was supposed to bring joy to the community, not poison. Welcome back to Ching's Perspective. Today we're looking at the anatomy of an arrest. From the moment the first cone was placed on the asphalt to the final verdict in court 5 years later. This is how you build an airtight case against the proliferation of illegal drugs. Precision is the enemy of technicality. On this Wednesday, our team was operating strictly by the PNP Standard Operating Manual. Every sign was in place. Every officer knew their sector. We weren't just looking for criminals. We were ensuring the safety of every motorist. Many people ask, why the strict protocols? Because in the world of RA 9165, a single mistake in the setup can lead to a dismissed case. We were checking several motorists when a lone rider caught our eye. No helmet, wearing slippers, a clear traffic violation. But his reaction told us there was more. As he approached our checkpoint, the rider froze. Seeing the PNP uniform, he immediately attempted a U-turn. But he didn't expect our blocking force. 2 security personnel positioned specifically for this scenario. Upon inspection, we opened his toolbox. What we found wasn't just a personal stash. It was a mobile distribution kit. 1 medium-sized sachet of methamphetamine hydrochloride, shabu. 15 rectangular sachets. An improvised tutor, aluminum foils, and glass. Surgical scissors, and a digital weighing scale. The suspect was the son of a Perya carnival owner in the north. He claimed he was just traveling from his residence to his father's carnival in the next town, but the evidence suggested a much darker delivery. This is where cases are won or lost. The inventory. Our chief of police immediately called for witnesses. The elective barangay officials arrived. The media representatives arrived. We reached out to the DOJ, but unfortunately, no representative was available at that hour. Despite the absence of the DOJ, we proceeded with the presence of the other required witnesses to ensure transparency. Markings were made at the place of arrest. The evidence was turned over to the duty investigator, who then brought it straight to the crime laboratory. The result? Positive. The suspect faced the full weight of the law. Aside from the drug charges, he was also charged for his initial violations: driving without a helmet and appropriate footwear. Justice is a marathon, not a sprint. He spent 5 years in jail before he was eventually able to post bail via petition. However, with the implementation of the plea bargaining agreement, he chose to plead guilty and was subjected to probation. The case was closed, but the lesson remains. Drug addiction is a parasite in our community. It doesn't just damage the mind of our youth. It kills dreams and tears families apart. It is the root cause of the rampant theft we see today. We must be vigilant. Monitor the gatherings in your area. Places like the Perya are often targets for those looking to spread this poison. We fought this case to keep your children safe in the streets. Let's fight the drug problem today so that our tomorrow stays bright. If you learned something about the legal process or the importance of police standards today, hit that like button and share this video. This is Ching's Perspective. Stay alert. Stay safe. If you made this far, comment the word "more" so I know who the real ones are.